How this is how we jive for mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can install WhatsApp Messenger to your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra with recovering all the backup from previous backup from another WhatsApp account. For example, from your previous account you have some WhatsApp you want to recover here. Okay, so first we have to go to our old WhatsApp. I want to move here. Go to WhatsApp inside. Go at the top. You see three dots. We have to make backup this WhatsApp and to move from there. Hit this one backup. Hit setting. In the setting, you have to go to here. Chat, wallpaper, history. There at the bottom, you have chat backup. You have to hit chat backup. Hit backup button. And this account, the same Google account, you have to connect to your new phone. Backup is preparing. So backup is done here in this phone. Now we'll go to the new phone where I want to the previous WhatsApp. So in this case, you have to go to Google Play. Search what is Google Play. Here we go. You have to have Google account to download anything from Google Play. If you don't know, check the video description how you can make Google account. Hit Google Play. Here at the corner, type WhatsApp. Here we go. This one here, install WhatsApp. Hit this one. So now hit WhatsApp. You see we come to this screen. It's asking me language. I leave here language of English of the device language or change language as you like. Hit next button here. Agree and continue. Okay, phone number, allow notification. So put your phone number in this case, hit next button. Verified, click continue, continue. Hit allow, allow one more time, allow all. Is looking for some backup, let's see. You see here I have some backup that already have done in another phone, so 1.4 gigabyte. Hit restore backup, so it's restoring backup, guys. So it's done here backup. I hit next button. Initializing WhatsApp is done, so it's recover everything from my old backup. You see still is doing restoring some media, 1.2 gigabyte. So this is the way you can install WhatsApp to your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. Like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, bye.